Okay, this is how Hawthorne Gardens recommends planting blueberry bushes because our soil around here is very high pH. They don't do well in the ground. You constantly have to amend the soil to make them survive. So what I've been doing for the last 5 years is I planted my blueberry bush in a pot. And I use our Fafford potting soil because it's a peat-based potting soil that is very acid. A lot of peat. So I just take the blueberry, squeeze the bottom, get the roots loose, and I plant it in a pot. And then I grow it on my patio all summer, and I feed it with acid fertilizer, and we eat blueberries for about 4 to 6 weeks in the spring. And after they're done, the blueberries are done fruiting, is when you trim the blueberry bush, because all of the new growth that happens this summer is where the blueberries come next spring, early next spring. This is 2-year-old wood. After Thanksgiving, when it gets cold, I take this pot and I water it well and I put it in my shed. My shed is cold, it's dark, and that's where my blueberry stays all winter. Sometime in January, I'll go and get some snow or take a bucket of water out and water it halfway through the winter, just so it doesn't get really dry. And then I bring it out at Easter, put it on my deck, and mine has 100 blueberries on it right now. So that's how we recommend planting your blueberry bushes from Hawthorne Gardens. We have Jack's Classic liquid fertilizer, acid fertilizer, and also a dry fertilizer for all your acid-loving plants is Hollytone. Thank you.